So the sun is out here blazing, guys, and today it's a good day for me because today I'm going to take you to Waterfalls. I am hoping that I will be able to find around 4 waterfalls for you guys today, so enjoy the journey. So I am starting the journey from Kirinyaga town, heading straight to, okay, this road is up to Baricho. This is a Baricho route, and today I am excited to go back to 3 waterfalls that I was able to visit around in 2021. I am not really conversant about the year, but probably 2020. So it was a nice experience because I found those 3 waterfalls on the same river. So today, guys, I'm in Kirinyaga. So let's go and chase the waterfalls and find one new waterfall for me, which is the 112th waterfall. So guys, let's go. So right now I am in Mutito town, still on the route from connecting Kirinyaga and Baricho. So those 3 waterfalls that I told you that I'm going to visit today, I wasn't able to post them because I lost my phone back then. So there were some waterfalls that I had it posted. So I'm going to use that road to visit the 3 waterfalls. So, but the new waterfall that I'm about to see today, I'm going to head straight, but I will branch off in about 400-500 meters. So I'm hoping that I will be able to locate this waterfall. So around last year, I had tried to find this waterfall, but it was a bit tricky for me because I lost track of the waterfall. So and it was in a quite remote place, so I wasn't able to find someone to direct me to the waterfall. So I had to abandon the trip. So but today I know that I am confident I will be able to see the waterfall. Wow, guys, hey, press in a car 50. Ay. Wow. So this is the end of the road for us. So we are going to go on quite a small path. At this particular point, I can actually hear its sound. Nasikia sauti ya hiyo waterfall, and I'm so excited to go and see it. And I can actually see the start of the waterfall down there. So let's find a route, a small path leading to the waterfall. And the fields here looks so amazing, guys. So let's go and explore. Looks like not famous waterfall. It's not famous. That's the waterfall, guys, I'm talking about. Kiwe waterfall in Kirinyaga County. My goodness. And it's surprising that this waterfall is not famous, and it's a 2-tier waterfall. And it looks just amazing. Amazing, guys. Let's try and reach to the bottom. This waterfall has length and it's a small stream, but it's a big waterfall, guys, in front of us. Wow, I'm so excited to meet my 112th waterfall. So this waterfall is on Kiwe River. I would prefer to call it Kiwe 1 because there is another waterfall we will check on later, Kiwe 2 waterfall, guys. So I want to take this chance to tell you all guys, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be able to see more content about waterfall and travel in general, because my content is all about much more of waterfall tourism, guys, and the importance of waterfall tourism. One of them is talking about physical health, mental health, having fun, and just traveling at Raj to check on the beautiful landscape that Kenya has to offer. And I am all requesting you to like, share, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel again, so that we can be able to spread much more information about waterfall tourism. And anywhere you are, guys, please take your time to visit a waterfall near you, anytime, any place, guys, and just post it so that you can encourage other people, young people, to try and connect with nature. Because when we try to connect with nature, we will understand much more about climate change, guys. So please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would classify this waterfall as a multi-step because it has two waterfalls, and as you can see, I'm trying to scale up to the first waterfall, guys, for you, so that you can have a closer look at the waterfall. And it's quite challenging and very risky. You can hurt yourself very easily. At that particular point, I stepped on loose stones and I lost footing. So guys, please take care wherever you are trying all risky maneuvers at waterfalls and the cliffs, guys. It's quite dangerous. You can hurt yourself pretty easily, guys, and it's not nice because you are actually in a jungle. Sometimes you have to travel all by yourself. For me, sometimes I have to travel all by myself, so it can be risky, guys, for you trying to hurt yourself down there, because these waterfalls are situated whereby there are no homestead, and finding somebody to help you can take a lot of time. So be cautious anytime you are traveling to a waterfall. One activity that one can do at a waterfall is bird watching, because cliffs are safe hideouts for birds. So there are lots of birds at a waterfall, and you can be able to find different species of birds located at a waterfall. So whenever you are at a waterfall, guys, you can do birds watching and just learn how their behavior and everything. So we were about to leave, and we noticed that there is another waterfall that is just adjacent to this valley. So we had to rush down there and find the waterfall, guys, for you. So let's go to the next waterfall. So surprisingly, I had to see another waterfall called Kavinga Waterfall on Kavinga River. And here it is. Actually, it's just a division of a valley to the other waterfall we just saw. Oh my god, I'm just riding down at this particular moment, but I'm fine finally. Here is the waterfall, guys, so you can actually see the waterfall Kavinga, guys. This is my 113 waterfall. Wow, so amazing. There it is. This is a waterfall. I'm shocked. It just looks amazing. Wow, guys, just look at it. I'm afraid that I may fall down, so we can be able to see it here. And wow, it's amazing. It's a two-tier waterfall. You can see the first waterfall and the second waterfall. It's amazing. I just hope that I have nice shoes that I would walk, because right here is so steep, guys, so steep. But let's find out, because I'm still holding my phone. Wow, just look at it. There it is. That's the view of the waterfall. I am so shocked, and I just feel that I'm in the right place right now, guys. So let's go back. And let's go. Wow, I'm just afraid that I don't want to lose my body. Get me. Wow, here we are at the bottom of the waterfall. You can see. So that's the waterfall, guys. 113 waterfall for me visit. It's amazing. I wasn't expecting that I'm going to find another waterfall today, a new waterfall today. And nature is just full of surprises. Here's the waterfall, guys. Wow, this place has amazing waterfall. Amazing. Visit Motito in Kirinyaga County. Central, what is this constituency? Inaitwa nini? Kirinyaga Central, Motito, and find these two amazing waterfalls, guys. Yes. Oh my goodness. I even don't know if I'll be able to find the other two waterfalls, because wow, I've spent so much time on these waterfalls, and it's getting dark right at the moment, guys. Wow, it's amazing. It's amazing. Sorry guys, at the start of the video I had promised you that I will bring you 3 other waterfalls that I had visited earlier, back in 2021, but according to time that I spent on these waterfalls, I wasn't able to reach the other waterfalls because nightfall was getting in pretty close. So next time, guys, I will be there for you. So the one thing that I have noticed about this waterfall is that the owner of the land has cleared the debris, the weeds along the river, and it's clearly visible to any person. So I'm encouraging out there, people who own these lands can clear the lands, the weeds. I'm talking about the weeds, not about cutting trees. The weeds on the river, so that the waterfalls can be visible for any visitor coming to see the waterfall can enjoy for a cruiser look. Because I'm actually imagining whether if these weeds along the river were full grown, we wouldn't be able to enjoy such a magnificent waterfall as currently we are looking at, guys. So see you next time, guys, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Williams Expeditions, for more waterfall content views, guys. So next time, guys. So guys, there is one waterfall, and you just have to cross over this hill. And sorry, I am a bit tired. And that's another waterfall. Yes, 2 waterfalls in one place, guys. Visit Kirinyaga County and Kenya at large, guys.